everybody, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to be doing the Junk Journal July challenge today, and the prompt that I'm going to be working on is number 30, which is shine. So everything you need to know about this challenge is linked in my description box. I have this die which was given to me by my friend Kimmy, and she is on YouTube as Salty Beach Scrapper. I will put a link to her YouTube channel below. And I thought that this reminded me of a sun ray, so that's how I'm going to incorporate shine into my journal. I'm also going to cut this out of some shiny glittered paper. So I painted the edges with this pearlescent paint, and now it's looking to me a little more peachy compared to the pink paper next to it, but I think it's going to be a nice contrast to the glittered paper. And so now I'm really liking the way that this looks, but I think I'm going to go ahead and put a base behind that. And I found this foiled pink paper or metallic paper from Tim Holtz. And so I'm going to use that to back up my little sunray frame there. And it's quite heavy duty cardstock, so it's a little heavier than I would have liked to add in my journal at this point, but I think that's just really beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere those together. And then also I'm thinking of adding the little fallouts that go in between the little sun rays. Okay, so I have my sun ray in place, and it's just absolutely beautiful, and it definitely shines. So I'm thinking about doing that to the other side, except I'm going to have these little fallout pieces, and I'm just going to arrange them in the order that they go. Well, that took a few minutes, but I finally got it all lined up, and it's just a beautiful sunburst effect, and the shine is definitely present. And I know this is a very minimalist page, but I'm okay with that with the prompt and with the materials that I'm using. I think it's okay to go different routes in this journal. I've done so many different styles and looks. But this has been fun for me, and I think when working with pinks, it's not like I had everything all the same, and using what I have, and just able to pull the different colors of pink throughout the journal has been really fun too. So anyway, I made this into a pocket, and I wanted to distinguish this little portion where I was going to write my little phrase or my title for the page. And so I used this cording here, knotted it at the ends, and just glued it onto the edge of the foiled paper. And I put "Let Your Light So Shine," and this is the beginning of the sentence of one of the verses of scripture in the New Testament. And so I'll probably be journaling along those lines. And so I've made this tag here, and I have a small journaling spot here. And if I need more room, I can always just write on some paper and just tuck it in there, or just make another little tag this size. So I have since added the reference number to the front of the tag. It's Matthew 5:16. So that way, as I'm going back through the journal and reading my entries, if I want to study more on that particular scripture, I can immediately know where to find it. So, but that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to know what you think on this one. This one's a little different, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.